How to change modes in OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change modes. First of all, open the application. So here I'm in my home page. Now in order to change the modes, you can directly tap on this up button here on the top. Simply tap on this button. So here you can see this drop down. Here you can see three different modes: pay, exchange and web3. So select the one in which you want to change into. So I'm tapping on pay. Now we are in the web 1. So here there is a different version, and from this you must pay. So here if you tap on exchange and web3, there you'll be able to see the wallet and know the information about stocks too. So it's quite easy to change the modes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.